strong earthquake jolts North India. According to the National Center for Seismology, earthquake of magnitude 6.1 occurred at 10:34 p.m. on Friday, 21 kilometers SA of Amritsar. A strong earthquake shook the parts of North India, including Punjab and Haryana, on Friday evening. People came out of their houses, as the tremors were felt for a few seconds across North India. The quake measured 6.2 on Richter scale. Its epicenter was reported in Tajikistan-Xinjiang border region, said the GFZ German Research Center for Geosciences. The earthquake was at a depth of 86 kilometers (53.4 miles), GFZ said. With Reuters inputs.